Hi guys! Today, together with you, I wanna unbox and review COACH TABBY bag. I received my order just yesterday. I ordered it on Zalando and within just one day it arrived. I'm so excited to unbox it and let's do it together. In Zalando, not in official Coach website, because first of all delivery was much faster and the price was cheaper. I think the difference was around 20 euros and I saw 20 euros significant difference and decided to order it in Zalando. Let's start from packaging. I didn't like at all how the bag was packed, because bag is quite expensive. I paid for it 340 euros and inside Zalando box it was packed just in plastic bag, and I don't think this is the way that bags like Coach should be packed. But inside the bag itself it was this cover where you can in future keep the bag, and I think it's so nice that they're providing it. You can store the bag in more accurate way, and like this bag will live much longer. Now let's come to bag itself. The material of the bag is very nice and I love color. It's not bright white, it's more kind of milky white, something in between these two. And for myself, I choose this color. COACH TABBY bag has few different models and different colors, so I think everyone will find for himself the color he like. For me, I wanted to go with something more basic, more minimal, and something that you can use almost with every outfit, and I think this color will fit almost everywhere and any season. I never seen the COACH TABBY bag in real life before, so I expected the shape will be a bit different, not that long and narrow, but still shape is quite nice. And inside there is this rich brown material that looks so fancy, and as you see there are 3 sections and plus one small pocket where you can put your phone. Maybe normally I put my phone on this pocket, and there is one pocket with a zipper, and zipper is quite smooth, and almost on every piece is written the name Coach. Even on this small zipper written the name of brand. I was a bit skeptical about white color. I was hesitating between white and brown because white is more likely to get dirty, but now I'm understanding that this material could be easily cleaned. And the bag has 2 handles. One is this short one that I personally prefer because I like when bag has short handle, it's easier for me to carry. But also there is this long handle that you can attach instead, or I saw some people wearing both of them, and the longer handle is a bit thicker as you see, but as well as on short handle everywhere written the name of brand, and the quality seems very good. I think this bag can live really long, and before purchasing this bag I was hesitating between Coach, Michael Kors, Karl Lagerfeld or Guess, but my research showed me that Coach is one of the best quality for this price, and it's a bit more expensive than Guess. As I said, I bought my bag with 340 euros. Guess bag you can purchase with 150 euro. Karl Lagerfeld and Michael Kors is approximately the same price range like Coach, but as reviews say, Coach bag has best quality, and in last 10 years brand went through very big changes and rebranding. They had new leader of company and I think they did really great job. They become much more minimal, and the quality is good. I haven't tried to wear bag yet because as you saw I just unboxed it, but I think I will be quite satisfied and happy to style it with my outfit. So far I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I don't see any disadvantages of bag, maybe just yet because I haven't tried wearing it, But let's see. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope it was interesting for you, and if you are thinking about buying or not buying this bag, this decision is totally up to you, but my opinion is that it's quite good quality for this price, and you exactly paying for what you are getting. And I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was interesting and I said something useful for you. And yeah, check more videos on my channel and see you next time.